Hi guys, so we got Samsung A32 5G. We have to replace the screen, and the screen that we are going to replace today is the one that came with frame actually. So for A series, like make sure like you're doing with the frame, because otherwise you can do without frame too, but that's gonna be like very risky. So just to be safe, you can just do with the frame. Okay, now we're using the heat gun, and we're gonna like warm this guy on the back a little bit. Just make sure you're not keeping it like one place, just keep doing it and make sure like you touch it, and yeah, it's not that much warm. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna use the pry tool, right? So we have to make sure like we're putting inside. Okay guys, so we have to make sure we're putting it at the right place. You can just find a spot here in between and just like keep it doing slowly, and then you keep opening. This phone was already open, so you don't need to worry about this. It's gonna come out easily, and just like make sure. Okay, so if it's hot enough, it's gonna come out easily. Now we're unscrewing it. I have already unscrewed most of the screws, and this is the last one. You make sure you remove the SIM card out of it first. Remove the SIM card and put it on the side. Now we can use the blade. Okay, so